Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My tutorial for you today is this quick, easy and beautiful crochet mini border. It's only one round so it's easy to make. I worked my shell border on a fabric, on a linen fabric, and I used a crochet thread size 8. I used a 125mm crochet hook, a dining needle. For your crochet hook, you'll have to make sure that it goes easily through the fabric. If not, choose a smaller one. Let's get started. Insert your hook into your fabric. Attach the thread using a slip stitch. Single crochet in the same place. Leaving a space of about the length of one double crochet and make a double crochet in your fabric. In the same place, add 5 double crochet. So it's a total of 6 double crochet. This is a shell of 6 double crochets. The size of your double crochet depends on how big you want it to be. You may make a shell of only 5 double crochets or maybe 7. Leave a space of about 1 double crochet and single crochet in your fabric. Leaving a space of a double crochet, make a second shell of the number of double crochets you want. Here I made 6 double crochets. Make sure that you insert the hook in the same place as the first double crochet of your shell. Single crochet, leaving a space of about the length of 1 double crochet, and continue working. Repeat the same instructions from 6 double crochets to 1 single crochet for the length of your crochet project. Fast enough. Take off your hook from work. Use your needle to hide the ends. Repeat for the other end. Please check out the link to the written pattern for this shell border, below this video in the description box. I hope you've learned something new today. See you next time. Bye.